The Devices page is where you see every tablet and phone signed into your shop. POS devices live at the counter. Station devices live at Wash, Dry, and Pack. Both auto-register on first PIN login. Click Devices under Operations in the sidebar to open the page. Each card has its own table. POS devices for the counter, station devices for Wash, Dry, and Pack. The columns are the same on both: name, store, OS, device model, status, and created date. Tap POS links to open the Share dialog. Each active store gets a 6-character code, a scannable QR, and a copyable login URL. Cashiers point a tablet camera at the QR to land straight on the PIN entry screen. The QR encodes the store code, not a one-time token, so the same printed sheet works until you rotate the code. Close the dialog. Back in the table, tap any device name to rename it inline. Names are local to your dashboard and help you tell physical tablets apart. Use the Active switch to suspend a device without losing its history. Use the trash icon to delete it permanently. Deleting also rotates the store code in case the tablet was lost or stolen. Heads up, managing devices requires the Manage Devices permission. The default owner and admin roles have it, manager and cashier don't. Assign it to other roles in Roles and Permissions for staff who handle device admin.